Hi, Danielle. Thank you for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and about movement?
Yeah, so I am Dr. Danielle. I'm the owner of Movement Chiropractic. My portion of the practice focuses on prenatal, postnatal, anything really perinatal, and pediatric care. My husband, on the other hand, does more like sports-based chiropractic. Um, but yeah, we got into this business together a few years ago, kind of just fell into it. Um, but I'd always wanted to be a chiropractor. It's something that I was really passionate about from a really, really young age. And just never changed my mind on it. So I love what I do, love being able to work with prenatal and postpartum and everyone looking to enter into that motherhood transition.
So, what does it look like when someone goes and sees a chiropractor? Um, like they walk into your office and then what happens?
So it kind of depends. So
Okay.
our office is pretty unique in the fact that we aren't cookie cutter. A lot of high volume chiropractic offices, the ones that see like 50 to 100 people a day,
Oh,
are yeah, they work. But you go in and you go, my neck hurts, and they crack your neck, and then you're good. Go, see you next week. Here, what we do is we focus on the person as a whole. So on your first visit, we go over your whole health history, what brought you in, whether it's seeing a TikTok video or because your mom told you to, or because your back is hurting.
mm-hmm.
Um, and we do a few, orthopedic exams. We try and figure out, where is this pain coming from? Why did it start? What are your ergonomics like? What's your nutrition like? What is your movement like? And then we can assess better how we can fix you. And then during the adjustment, that's also different person to person. Um, if we're talking about somebody that can handle a normal manual adjustment, it's kind of like what everybody has seen before, cracking and popping, twist you a little bit. Um, and then give you corrective exercises at the end. We always focus on either stretches or mobilization or strengthening whatever muscles, tissue that we need to fix the problem. Now, if we're talking about a prenatal
Yeah.
or a postpartum, um, my focus is getting the body as aligned and in balance as possible so that baby can get in a good position. So labor and delivery is smooth and easy, minimal complications, minimal pain as much as
Mm-hmm.
possible. And then I call it prehab, basically. So getting your body ready for postpartum so that recovery after you have a baby is super duper easy and you can kind of get back to your new normal of life with as little pain and injury as possible. Yeah.
So it sounds like a lot of prevention work is if you're prenatal, is there any intervention work where chiropractic work is helpful, or is it all prevention?
Oh yeah, no. I mean, so I would say most of the reason a prenatal woman would come in to see me is because they're having low back pain, sciatic pain, something like that, round ligament pain, pelvic pain. So if you come in with pain, it's definitely okay. Let's get you out of pain
Okay.
first. Um, but if you just want an easy pregnancy and easy birth prevention, I mean, from even before you get pregnant, go see your chiropractor, make sure they're a prenatal chiropractor, obviously. And then that'll kind of ease you in. But yeah, definitely with all of the aches and pains that come with pregnancy and postpartum, chiropractic helps tremendously with all of that.
Did you have to take extra classes and more coursework and more education in order to specialize in pregnancy and postpartum?
Yeah. So there you learn very minimal in school,
Mm.
but after you graduate, it's typically when you start taking those classes. The main one for prenatal is going to be Webster technique. That is 100% prenatal, balancing pelvis, balancing baby, all of that. My focus, there's a few different paths you can go on after you graduate to either be certified in prenatal or just have more education and experience. So I kind of like to grab a whole bunch of different tools from my toolbox. So I am Webster certified, and I've taken a lot of different prenatal courses. But then I also like to take different movement courses to help with that, the whole prehab and, moving your body during pregnancy. But yeah, there's a lot of extra education that goes in behind prenatal and postpartum care with chiropractic.
And what should someone think about when choosing a chiropractor? So why should someone come to your business versus someone else? What makes movement unique?
For me, what makes us the most unique is that we're not cookie cutter, and we really do. My husband and I both, we really, really care about the people we treat. Everybody that comes in here is friend and family. We want to see the best for you. So when somebody is looking for a chiropractor, in general, what you want to look for is somebody that aligns with your values. If all you want is a quick adjustment, then okay, go to a high volume person. That's fine. If you really want to dive deep into, where is this pain coming from? What's causing it? You want to find somebody that isn't just going to crack your back and send you on your way. Like we talk about, we want to do all of the prevention and the corrective exercises, all of that sort of stuff. I also, I'm a little biased on this, but if I was just somebody coming off the street choosing a chiropractor, I would want them to be somebody who's physically active, that can hold themselves up, that doesn't have problems getting out of a chair. So I think that's super duper important as well. And then as far as prenatal, number one, look for somebody Webster certified. You don't necessarily have to have like a postdoctorate certificate, but Webster would be the only one that I would say, if they're not Webster certified, they probably don't know exactly what they're doing on you.
Mm-hmm. Good to know. So you mentioned movement, and your company's called Movement. So why is movement important?
That's how we get by.
Tell me more.
Right? You don't get more than one body in your life. So if you're not moving and doing your strength training and making sure your core is strong, yes, you're going to end up with aches and pains and all sorts of other things, but it also goes along the lines of cardiovascular disease and obesity and all of these long-term illnesses that we're seeing, that people who have not been moving their whole entire life and don't make that a priority, they'll see that down the road when they get older. So everybody, even if it's just, a walk or a light stretch, everybody should be moving every single day just to grease the wheels a little bit.
And you mentioned strength training. So what is considered strength training, and why is that important?
Strength training, even, training with weights, body weight training, resistance training, that's so important because your muscles are what hold you up. So if you're sitting all day and you kind of just become jello, how do you think you're going to get up out of that chair and off that couch? It's with your quad muscles, with your glutes, with your hamstrings. So at the very least, doing, a few squats a day is going to help you prolong the longevity of your life and your body. And then in women, especially too, without strength training, we lose our bone mass and our bone density very, very quickly as we age. So strength training helps build strong bones and strong muscles. So yeah, women 100% should be strength training.
Good to know. Anything else that you want to let the audience know, or that you think the audience should know?
Oh, goodness. Again, I'm biased, but I do think everybody should be seeing a chiropractor,
okay.
Regardless of if it's here or not. I think everybody should be focusing on getting up, moving their bodies, working their heart and all their muscles. And And what else?
Where do
Don't,
people find you?
oh, well, our office is in Temecula, right across the street from Costco. We're here for now. We might move in the future.
Okay.
If you want to look us up online, it's mvmntchiropractic.com, or on Facebook or on Instagram.
Great. And I'll include all of that information below so that
Awesome.
people could easily contact you all. Well,
Wonderful.
thank you so much, Danielle. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Mind and Body Pilates, a wellness approach, please do so by clicking on the logo below. It's free. It lets us know that you like what we're doing, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.